What is this? Yes, you're right. It is a box. But the thing is, what's in the box? Hi, welcome to ZGadgetReview. But inside this box, we have a phone. So we're going to do an unboxing of the Pixel 11 Pro. So I just got this in the mail. Just remove all the labels from it in order to do this. So we're going to go ahead and pull the tab off. Oof. I banged my microphone there. Okay, man, this is not as simple as I thought it would be. The tab didn't, there we go, come off as I thought it would. There we go. I was not recording that at all. So here we go. Ba, 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 ba. So we have some paper, and we have the little sayings here from Google that says, in with the new, out with the old, reuse this box, recycle your old electronics, blah, 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 blah. So here we go. We'll recycle that later. And here we have it, the Pixel 11 Pro. And as we can see, the box looks pretty much exactly as last year's. Here's a Pixel 10 Pro box. Same size, same image. You will be forgiven if you thought that it was the same phone as the one we got last year. Everything pretty much the same. Crazy how things don't change. And once I go through this in the review, you will actually see how close the Pixel 10 Pro and the Pixel 11 Pro are. They're very, very, very close. They're almost the same phone, one could say. Okay, so let's go ahead and pull the tab here. Tap done. And then this slides out easily like this. Come on. Okay, here we have the sleeve. And yes, I got that green color because I thought it would be a fun color to have. So let's look at the rest. So we have the box here. Boom. Nice little box here. We have some documentation here. There we go. So we have the little paperwork there, and it seems like that's it. Make sure that this fits in, so when I throw this, it doesn't actually get screwed up. Ooh. Here we have the phone. We're going to look at it in a minute. Here we have the charging cable. At least this comes with the charging cable. I did a review of the Nothing A3 earbuds, and those do not even come with a charging cable. So it's good to see that the phone still comes with a charging cable and nothing else. That is it. We don't have a SIM tool in the package, and I think the reason is because Google's moving more to the virtual SIMs, and more companies are doing the virtual SIM thing, so you don't really need a tool. But it will be nice to have one in the box because there are some people who do use physical SIMs. So that's it. We got the phone here. You no longer need a physical SIM card. Activate your eSIM during phone setup. So there you go. Open there. And then we're going to slide it out slowly. Oh, no, we can because of how the camera housing, see how it protrudes. So let's see here. So we're going to do this. There we go. And we have the paper out. And here we have the phone in all of its glory. We have a little bit of gold on the sides. I know the NFC antenna has moved to the top of the phone in order to make it easier to make NFC payments. Here we have the camera housing, which is all glass compared to last year's phone. I'm going to do a quick comparison in a minute. Here we have the area that's a highlight, which was where the thermometer used to be, the shiny G. And then we have, again, the shiny, looks like golden bezels to me. This reminds me a lot of the color of the Pixel 7, I think it was, that I got that was kind of the same color. The green is not as green as I was expecting it to be. In the images on the website, the green looked a lot greener, if that makes sense. Here we have a comparison of the two phones. So Pixel 10 Pro, Pixel 11 Pro. And as you can see, they're pretty much exact same size. There next to each other, same size, buttons on the same size, antennas, everything. SIM card, volume rocker, power button. And we have the camera housing. That's the big difference here. The camera housing has the metal here with the thermometer and the flash. And this has no thermometer anymore. And the camera housing looks a little bigger. Yeah, it is a lot bigger. Look at that. Look at the camera housing there. So much bigger than on the Pixel 10 Pro. So the bottom, same thing, same speaker array, which is not really speakers. Only one of them is a speaker. Then you have a USB-C charging port. It looks like the exact same phone. I'm going to turn it on really quick. If it turns on, there we go. Just felt that vibration. So it's turning on. Then we have the G for Google. Oh, look at that. With Gemini Intelligence branding. Gemini taking over the world, people. So there we go. It's taking a little bit to turn on. It's taking longer than I would expect it to turn on for a new phone. And I don't know what it's doing. I guess it's trying to think and figure out. Here we go. And this is my start screen. And it has all the languages and stuff. So that's a Pixel 11 Pro phone, which I'm going to be putting through its paces. I'm going to drop a review. If you're watching this video and you have any questions about the phone or anything I can put this phone through, let me know in the comment section. I would really appreciate that input there. That is it for me. Go ahead and give us a thumbs up. It really helps the channel. Go ahead and hit that bell so you can be alerted every time we have new videos. And thank you very much for watching.